Billions of tons of sugar are produced every year. But how does sugarcane become the white sugar found in homes around the world? Today we're going inside a giant sugar factory to see the complete process of making sugar from sugarcane. Within minutes, the crystals become cleaner and more concentrated. Every day, this factory receives thousands of tons of sugarcane.
Look at the quality here. It's excellent, but watch the dust on the conveyor.
Right, noted for the report. The next load is arriving now.
The journey begins in vast sugarcane fields, where thousands of tons are harvested every day. Before sugar extraction begins, the sugarcane must be cleaned and prepared. These powerful machines extract the sweet juice hidden inside every sugarcane stalk. After clarification, the juice is cleaner and ready for concentration. The sugarcane is gone, but the sweet juice remains. Next, you'll see how this cloudy liquid is transformed into pure white sugar.
The pH seems stable on this one.
Yes, readings are consistent across the board. Let's finalize the report.
Optimal here. The temperature is holding steady. Good, I'll update the log.
Right there, valve 7B. Are the temps reading high on your end? Just slightly above tolerance.
Most of the water is removed here, turning the juice into a thick, sugar-rich syrup.
The concentration is stable at 75.2%. Noted. Adjusting flow rate. Verified.
The syrup now contains enough sugar to begin forming crystals. Inside these massive vessels, the thick golden syrup begins its transformation. here that the crystallization process truly takes hold. For the first time, real sugar crystals are appearing. Next, you'll see how these crystals are separated, dry. The spin cycle on line 3 is stabilizing.
Good. Keep the temperature steady.
The polarization checks out. It's within the acceptable range.
Good. The refractometer confirms it. We are clear for the drying stage.
Updating the quality log now.
Although it already looks like sugar, the crystals still contain moisture and require further processing. The crystallization rate is fluctuating on line 3.
Adjusting the spin cycle frequency now. Levels are normalizing.
Special drying systems remove remaining moisture and prepare the sugar for final refinement.
As the drum spins rapidly, the clear syrup is flung outwards, leaving behind the sparkling white sugar crystals. Check the pressure on line 4. It seems high. Yeah, I see that. Let's monitor it closely.
The sample viscosity is slightly high, midpoint 7.
Okay, let's adjust the flow rate and retest in 15 minutes.
The sugar is now fully refined. Next, you'll see how billions of sugar crystals are tested, packaged, and shipped to stores around the world. The samples are analyzed for purity, conforming a 99.9% success rate.
As you can see, the crystal size is exactly within the target range.
Purity is holding steady at 99.8%. Excellent results.
We have reached peak capacity on this mound.
All right, divert the next shipment to Silo 4. The finished sugar is loaded onto trucks and prepared for distribution across supermarkets, restaurants, and food manufacturers. You just saw how billions of sugar crystals are made. Which factory process should we explore next? Subscribe now and join us for more.